Receiving laundry items. Note the time items were received. Check the item against the laundry list. Make sure the items received match the items listed on the laundry list. Tag each laundry item. Check for damaged and lost and found items. Fill out the lost and found form. Record the time and date, your name, and description of the item. Place the item in a ziplock bag and surrender it to your supervisor. Record the laundry items according to company procedures. Record the date, name of guest, time received, your name, remarks, and signature. Sort each laundry item according to weight and color. Put the damaged item in a separate basket. Prioritize express items.